Narcissists are notoriously manipulative. They are skilled at getting what they want from others through guilt, pity, and flattery. They have an inflated sense of self-importance and are self-centered, which means they don't care about other people. If you're dealing with a narcissist in your life, here are 10 ways you can make narcissists suffer. Number 1. Ignore them. Ignoring a narcissist is one of the most effective ways to make them suffer. Narcissists are frequently so preoccupied with their importance that ignoring them can be highly frustrating. It's easy to do and can be done in various ways. You can directly ignore them by refusing to acknowledge their presence or failing to respond to their texts or emails. You can also ignore them indirectly by not allowing them to insert themselves into your life. The key to making them suffer is demonstrating that you don't care what they think or feel about you. This will make narcissists feel like they are losing control of their surroundings. It makes them feel weak and vulnerable, which narcissists despise the most. Number 2. Be confident in yourself and your abilities. A narcissist will avoid being around someone self-assured and confident. A narcissist will make you feel inferior to make yourself feel better. They will try to discredit you at every opportunity. Narcissists are often insecure and seek out people who will validate their inadequacy. It's much more difficult for someone else to manipulate or control your actions when you're confident in who you are and what you've accomplished. When someone challenges their confidence or acts as if they are better than them, narcissists become enraged. You will be less likely to fall into their traps, causing them pain. Number 3. Be happy with your own life. The easiest way to make a narcissist suffer is by being happy with your own life. Narcissists are so focused on their own needs and desires that they can't stand it when others are happy without them. The best way to do this is to show them how content you are with your own life. Don't lean on the narcissist for emotional support or validation. Find it somewhere else. Find it in the things that make you happy. Your friends, family, and hobbies. Narcissists don't want you to be happy. It's not that they don't care about your happiness, they just want you to be miserable as possible so they can feel better about themselves. Don't let a narcissist's presence in your life stop you from being happy. Number 4. Don't let their criticism bother you. If you want to make a narcissist suffer, one of the best ways is to not let their criticisms bother you. Narcissists are known for being critical of others and enjoy making others feel bad about themselves. If you get upset when someone criticizes you, it might be hard to not take things personally when a narcissist is doing it. It's easy for someone with low self-esteem to put down others to make themselves feel better about themselves. Instead of getting upset when someone says something mean to you, just take a deep breath and remind yourself that this person is not adding value to your life. They're just projecting their insecurities onto you. Never feel guilty for being better than them. If they criticize you, telling them what they think about you doesn't matter. Number 5. Don't take anything they say personally. Narcissists frequently act solely for their benefit. They want to win and be right all of the time. They want to get what they want, whether it means stepping on your feelings or making you feel bad along the way. Because narcissists are masters of manipulation, what they say to you is never about you. It's about their own emotions and needs. Narcissists are excellent at making you believe everything revolves around you, even when this is false. They're just trying to get under your skin and get you to react, so don't give in. If the narcissist says something hurtful to you or tries to make you feel bad about yourself, simply let it go. Don't let it bother you. It won't help to let their words influence how you see yourself. Number 6. Don't give them any attention at all. Narcissists love attention. They need to be at the center of everything, and they'll go to any length to get it. When you're with a narcissist, it can be tempting to give them attention just to get them off your back. This will only reinforce their behavior and make them more demanding of your time in the future. Instead of giving them what they want, the attention and spotlight, you could give them nothing. Ignore their requests for your attention, and instead concentrate on yourself. Narcissists have a brief attention span, so if they realize they aren't getting anywhere with you, they will move on to someone else. Number 7. Don't let them take advantage of you. Narcissists thrive on getting their way all of the time. They will take advantage of you if you are not careful. They always know how to make others feel guilty and indebted to get what they want with the least effort. It doesn't matter if it's as simple as making them coffee or as complicated as cleaning their house. A narcissist will figure out how to get what they want from you without giving anything back. When you refuse to let narcissists control and exploit you, they suffer. Don't apologize for refusing to fall in their favor. It is always acceptable to decline. Remember that narcissists don't care about anyone but themselves, so always put yourself first. Number 8. Don't apologize for being yourself. It's tempting to become defensive and apologize when a narcissist makes you feel wrong about your personality and values. However, doing so only gives the narcissist more power. It's as if you're permitting them to keep putting you down. You've most likely been told that you should apologize for being yourself. You may have been told that your beliefs are wrong and your needs are unimportant. Don't apologize for being yourself. Instead, keep speaking up for yourself, even if it doesn't always feel good. Don't let them get the satisfaction of making you feel bad. It's important to remember that you don't need their approval. You deserve respect, love, and kindness just as you are. Number 9. Call them out on their behavior. Narcissists have a highly inflated sense of self-importance and believe they are superior to others. Narcissists are also extremely sensitive to criticism. They will go to any length to avoid criticism from others. They are experts at deflecting blame. They will find a way to make it appear that you are the one who is at fault. If you want to make a narcissist suffer, you must confront them when they do something wrong or when you believe they are rude or mean to you. If possible, avoid being overly friendly or polite, as this will only encourage them to treat you poorly. Narcissists can't stand being perceived as less than perfect in public. They will try to avoid situations in which they may be exposed. Number 10. Stand firm to your boundaries. Narcissists don't care about your opinions, so you must be clear about your boundaries. Maintain them, and don't let the narcissist get away with crossing them. Even if they try to be nice, they will eventually try to manipulate you into doing things for them or giving them what they want. Don't let them use these tactics on you. You can always say no or say, "I'm sorry, but I just can't do that." Suppose they continue to pressure you to do something for them or give them something. In that case, it's time to take action. Leave the conversation or situation, making you feel guilty and sad for refusing to give in to their demands. Stand firm to your boundaries, consistently refuses, and make them suffer. Keep in mind that this is all part of the narcissist's game. Narcissists take great care to protect their fragile self-esteem by avoiding criticism, competition, and other situations in which they may appear inferior. They devote as much time to defending their reputation as they do establishing it. The only way to win your battles with narcissists and make them suffer is to detach from them and remove them from your life. Is this video interesting? Leave a comment below. Like this video and subscribe to this channel. It helps us a lot. Take advantage of this exciting video right here.